Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to spoof your MAC address. But to understand how MAC spoofing works, you need to know what a MAC address is. A MAC address is also called a media access control, and it is a unique ID number that is given to your network adapter. In simple terms, it is a serial number and it cannot be changed forever. MAC spoofing is a technique for changing the MAC address that your network interface appears to have. This change is temporary and cannot be permanently. Now, why would you want to spoof a MAC address? There are places where you go get the Wi-Fi password but can't access the network because they activated MAC filtering. So spoofing your MAC address can help you access the network. There are also companies which tracks users by recording the MAC addresses, so spoofing can save you from that as well. For Kali Linux there is a built-in program called MAC Changer, which I will demonstrating. So before you change your MAC address using MAC Changer, it's always a good idea to bring your network adapter down. This can be done using the following command: ifconfig wlan 0 down. And now in one single line type mac changer -r wlan 0. Now this R here is just going to say give me any random MAC address. As shown on the screen, MAC changer will show you the current, permanent and changed MAC address. The permanent MAC address will be restored to your network adapter after a reboot. You can also spoof a specific MAC address using the following command: mac changer -m, and here type your new MAC address. Now use the following command to bring up your network adapter: ifconfig wlan 0 up. And to check your new MAC, just type ifconfig wlan 0. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.